Hey guys, today I'm sharing an amazing online storybook library for picture book lovers. Here's how to unlock unlimited reading at childrenbooks.online. No more restrictions, just endless colorful stories. First up, plan upgrade. Unlimited reading is exclusive to Pro or Premium or Reading users. Free users can only read 3 books monthly. After upgrading, click Community in the navigation bar. Here, you can freely read, save, like, share your favorite picture books, and print high-definition PDFs anytime. Click an interesting book cover to enter the reader interface. The simulated page flipping effect delivers a realistic, immersive online reading experience just like a physical book. The best part, choose your favorite voice for audio narration. Sit back, relax, and enjoy hands-free reading, perfect for lazy afternoons or sharing with kids. Now you have unlimited access to a rich picture book collection. That's all. If you try this, comment with your first read. Love to hear your picks. Thanks for watching. Now, go to childrenbooks.online to enjoy the reading moment with your kid.